Fix graphics card not detected in Windows 11, 10, or 8 or 7. So if your graphics card isn't detected in Windows 11 or 10 or 8 or 7, the most effective fixes are first to show hidden devices in Device Manager. So click on an X on your keyboard and then select Device Manager from here. And then on the Device Manager, click on this View button and then select Show Hidden Devices. And then go ahead and expand Display Adapters and check if your GPU appears. If hidden, right click and enable it. Now after that, go ahead and update or reinstall GPU drivers. So download the latest drivers from NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel. So in the Device Manager, right click on GPU and then go ahead and so look for GPU in here and then right click on it and then click on update driver. If still not detected, uninstall drivers and reinstall fresh. Now next thing you can do is to go ahead and check your BIOS settings. So restart your PC and enter BIOS, usually through Del or F2, and then ensure PCLE stalls is enabled and set as primary graphics. Update BIOS to the latest version if outdated. And that is how you can basically fix graphics card not detected in Windows 11, 10, 8, or 7.